So today's actually a pretty cool day. It's the start of our garden. We're actually going to start putting some raspberry bushes and the grape, two different kinds of grape, because we're going to plant grape vines out there in the garden, but we're going to fill these up with dirt. And later, probably tomorrow, I'm going to have Cruz. We got a kid who's really excited to do seeds. So we're going to start the garden right now. This is a good Miracle Grow potting soil mix. I got this for like 14 bucks or 10 bucks, something like that at Lowe's. Oh, okay. So we're gonna start by obviously digging a little trench. Make sure soil's at the bottom for the roots to grow down into. Test strip should be good. And this here is our raspberry bush. Looks like it's got some root structure there at the bottom. Get up a little bit. We will backfill it with a little more dirt here in a second. Purple grapes, I don't even know the name of them, to be honest with you. This one has, these shoots have not started yet, which is semi-concerning, but it's very early yet in the season, especially, I mean, they just got delivered from the store. A lot of times I don't even like to grab them when they're already sprouting, but let's see what the root structure looks like in this guy here. It's about as bare root as they come. Good moist though. It's looking pretty good. Gotta dig this deep like we would a pine tree. I don't want these roots to be exposed. And lastly, we'll start out on these grapes. This one's already got shoots coming off of it, as you can see. Let's go ahead and hope this one isn't as crazy as this last one was. Oh, it's like I'm just gonna rip these ones because this one's gonna fall apart too if I take it out like that. Much better fresh root structure on this one. Down here. Up here. All right. That's it. We got our raspberry bush in the pot. I got these specific grapes. I do not know the name. Grape sulfur. And we have hemorrhoid grape as well. So we have these 3 plants in the pots ready to go. We're going to take them in the table, get some water, and then later we'll have Cruz put the seeds in and get started. So we're excited. Gardening season is underway. Now we just got to get the garden all finished. But we got some plants in pots, which getting your hands dirty. Love it. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for more garden videos coming soon.